it is so exciting because we've worked so long. I mean, this effort started back in 1979 when people long before many of us here started thinking about how are we going to make this happen? How are we going to connect people to places and rejuvenate areas of Des Moines that need to have a change and have gone through a lot of transition through the years?
I think we're a model. As we were talking there, we get ideological differences and things, but it comes to doing something for the city of Des Moines and Polk County, and they're together. You get it done.
Yeah.
Progress has started. And they said, Iowa, are you shovel ready? We want to show we are. We got the award just recently. Here we are right today, breaking ground. And let's get this going. And thank you all so much for attending.